Looking for a versatile and space saving storage solution? This 5 tire rolling utility cart is perfect for home, office, classroom, kitchen, and more. Thank you to the brand for sending me this cart. Ideal for storing books, files, snacks, and household essential. It took only 3 to 5 minutes to assemble. It is small in size but offer good storage space. It is perfect for holding cups, pens, and small tools. Made from heavy duty plastic, it is more effortlessly within two lockable wheels to keep it firmly in place. It fit perfectly in tight space. It is like this utility cart is small in size but has a large space, which is like not only makes you convenient but also saves space. It can be used to store magazines, newspaper, books, folder in the library, study, coffee shop, or office. The top layer is designed with an embedded cup holder and two small grates. So it's yeah, I highly recommend it.